I'm going to go over 5 things that you must do now to win a federal government contract in 90 days. 1, you need a cage code. In order to get a cage code, you can have a sole proprietorship, an LLC, an S Corp, a C Corp. Doesn't matter. You just need a legal business entity in good standing, and you apply at Sam.Gov. Once you receive this cage code, and mind you, you're going to need a physical address for your business. It could be a home, trailer, apartment, townhome, doesn't matter. You will then be able to bid as a prime contractor, be a middleman, subcontract out. The world opens up because we are in the middle of the 4th quarter, 1 July until the end of September. This is the time when the federal government has the surplus of their budget and they need to spend. So that gets us to the next point. That is, you need to understand, what does it take to win? You're going to have to submit some kind of proposal, be it something on Unison, where it may just be pricing and a Buy America Act form. It could be something more complicated where it requires 3 volumes. It could be something in the middle. But what's key is understanding, what does it take for you to win? What does a proposal look like? I do have a book, winnerswaybook.com, where I talk about this, and I have an entire class dedicated to proposal writing, proposalthatwins.com. Additionally, I have over 600 videos. Take a look for free, please, by all means. You also need to understand, what does it take? So you're going to get some bonuses, y'all. So we're going to have more than 5. What does it take for you to find the opportunities? You want to go into Sam.Gov advanced search, total small business set aside, due within 30 days. And take a look. If you want to search by a NAICS code, cool. If you want to search by veteran owned, cool. Woman owned, cool. But at a bare bone minimum, advanced search, total small business set aside, due within 30 days. You're going to see a plethora of things that you can bid on and you can middleman. It's amazing what's out there, from gravel to janitorial to electric blinds to refilling propane tanks. Just make sure that you have the resources that are needed to fulfill the opportunity. Please make sure you do. Next, you're going to need to bid anywhere from 2 to 3 opportunities a week. Bid. So you're going to find, you're going to bid, and your goal is to win. To win, you have to be mindful of your profit. If you're adding double, triple profit to everything you bid on, what do you think your win rate is going to be? It's not going to be high, because the government has an idea of what they should pay. And if everybody else's prices are here and your price is way up here, you're not going to want to go with you unless it's something very specific, high end. Like, I know a contracting officer, he bought like a gold elevator for another country. So of course, their pricing is going to be a bit different, right? You have to be very positive during this. If you think, oh, I can't do it, this is so hard, because these curls are popping and we get it, but it's so hard, then that's what you're going to get. It's going to be hard. If you think this is easy, I'm going to be able to do it, I'm going to be able to win, then you will. I didn't say you're going to make a ton of money up front. I didn't say this is a get rich quick scheme. I did not say you're going to be on a yacht in 5 minutes. But winning a contract is easy, especially in 90 days, because we're in the 4th quarter. You want to embrace imperfection. We all make mistakes. There are proposals where I put the wrong name. I messed up pricing. I've done it all. It's okay. No one here on earth is perfect. The only person I know who's perfect is God. Nobody is perfect. Embrace the mistakes. It's about learning, applying, and adjusting. Learn, apply, adjust. The channel is a great place for you. There's a ton of content. I have a free Facebook group. If you want to get my book, winnerswaybook.com, cool. Proposalthatwins.com, cool. If not, okay, do what you need to do. But make sure as you learn, you are applying, that you're getting your cage code. You're looking for opportunities. You're taking that step to bid, because I get it, y'all. It can be scary, but the things that are worthwhile in life, sometimes they're scary. They're only scary because you just don't have the experience doing it. That's it. There's no reason you can't win something. I promise you. So y'all can do it. 90 days. Y'all can do it, because you're superstars. Don't forget that. winnerswaybook.com, y'all. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let's get us to 100,000. Y'all are amazing. I love and adore proposalthatwins.com. I love and adore each and every one of you. Don't forget, everything is possible, and I mean it. I mean it, because I've been through it, and I've been where you were or where you are, and you're going to get on the other side of it. Until next time, everything's possible. Take care, y'all. Bye.